Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado is featured in a gray paint and has the LTZ trim on it. On the outside we can see our aluminum wheels as well as a cover for our hatch. Inside the vehicle we have our Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, rear view camera with adaptive guidelines, heated steering wheel, and heated and vented front seats. Now into the front interior of the Silverado. Moving left from our steering wheel, we have all of our seat memories as well as our rear seat reminder. Below that, our chrome door handle. On the door panel itself, we have all of our mirror controls as well as our locks. Just below that, our window controls. And below that, our child locks for our windows. Moving down, we can see some storage. Then up to the left of the steering wheel, we have our drive select as well as our trailer assist. Going just below, we have all of our light controls as well as our display controls. Moving up, we can see our cluster gauge. Down to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have our cruise control. On the top right of that, we have our forward collision warning. Then below, our heated steering wheel. On the right hand of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free controls. Into the middle, we have our nav, as well as our radio and backup camera. Moving down, our dual zone climate control. On the left-hand side of that, we have our heated and vented front seats. And on the other side, for our passenger. Just below that, we have our brake controls as well as our interior bed lighting, our sensors, and lane keep assist. Here we have two 12 volt as well as two 120 watt plugs, and then plenty of storage, two cup holders, a center console with wireless charging. Our seats, premium black leather that are heated and cooled. Up towards the rear view mirror, we can see at the bottom all of our OnStar settings. Then going above that, we have all of our garage door opener right at the bottom, our sunroof controls, and then our light controls. Now walking down the front of our vehicle. At the front we can see our tire, 20-inch aluminum rim in the center with our Chevrolet bow tie center caps. Up we can see our chrome mirrors as well as our chrome door handles. We have our step with the chrome accents coming across. In the back we can see our, once again, more chrome. We have our chrome steps with our chrome bumper. Right there we have our trailer hitch. In the back bottom we can see that we have our camera for a rear view as well as cross pass detection. Opening it up, we can see that we have plenty of storage as well as a cover. Now into the back interior, starting at our door, we have our door handle. Once again, our window controls. More storage underneath. Moving inside, we have a magazine holder in our rear front seats. Our seats, once again, are black leather. In the back middle, we have a window that can open, as well as two cup holders in the center seat that are fold down. Above in the front, we have some storage as well as our 12 volts. And once again, the far side seat, once again, that black leather. Thank you for joining me for this quick walk around of the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Westgate Chevrolet soon.